Hi, students. Good morning, or afternoon, or evening. So, today we're talking about ELA 8 memoir lesson. So, click on this, find what you put in your comment box, copy it. Lesson, watch video on memoir. That's this. Today's goal for ELA 8 is to add depth, details, and complex ideas to our stories about our lives. Students will be able to add specific details, facts, and features to each one of their 3 seeds in order to grow their deep, complex memoir. Entrance ticket, no need to answer this in the discussion. Think about this. How old were you when these things happened? Where were you living? Who was with you? What was the weather like during that event? How did this event make you feel? How did these events mold you into the person you are? Open this memoir document, then add these details. This was important to my life because after looking back, it made me feel, I remember that. Share with Dr. Stocker on Google. Answer discussion post below. Q1, post on the discussion board. What events did you write about? Everyone has their own stories. Sentence starter. I wrote about the time blum, blum, and blum. Okay, so we're going to go back. Sorry, that part is in here. We're going to open this memoir doc. Here's the memoir. Okay. File, make a copy. So I'll go back and show you again. Memoir, file, you click and go down to make a copy. Copy of memoir, that's fine. Share it with the same people. Copy comments and suggestions. Include resolve comments and suggestions. Okay. So one important thing in my life this was important to my life because after looking back, it made me feel. I remember that. Okay. So I, pasted my comment from Monday in this Google document. Alright, so I just pasted the first one. This was important to my life because then you can think about how the event. So think about how the event was important. and answer these other prompts. Okay, good luck and have fun thinking about how great you are.